Hello, in this video I will show you how to drain and replace the rear differential oil on Suzuki Grand Vitara. That's the rear differential right there, and there's two plugs on it. The rear plug is the drain plug, and this plug right there, that's the fuel plug. First I'm going to open the fuel plug to make sure that after I drain the fluid, I can top it up with new fluid. Next I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. After the oil is drained, I can put back the drain plug. Next I'll show you in the service manual how much is the capacity for the rear differential, where exactly are shown to be the drain plug and the fuel plug. I showed you on the differential, and also what kind of oil is recommended for this rear differential. So for the rear differential, the recommended oil is 80W90, classification is GL5, and the capacity is 2.2 liters. Next I'll remove the fuel plug and start filling the differential with fluid. This is the fluid that I'm going to use to fill the differential, and this is the hand pump that I'm going to use to fill up the differential. I'm going to put in about 2.2 liters when the differential is filled to the maximum level. The fluid will start dripping from the fuel hole. Here it is, the fluid started dripping, so I'm going to remove the pump from there, wait for it to drain a little bit, and then put the fuel plug back on and tighten it. Now I'm going to tighten the fuel plug and then I'm done. Hopefully the video is helpful. Thank you for watching.